Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Farming Life Adventurer Agribi. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of Indian onion cultivation. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a gardening enthusiast, this video will provide you with an in-depth guide to successfully growing onions in the Indian climate. So, let's dive right in. Before we start planting, it's crucial to understand the various onion varieties commonly grown in India. We have the red, yellow, and white onions, each with its distinct flavor and usage. Choose the variety that suits your culinary preferences and market demand. Soil preparation is the foundation of successful onion cultivation. Onions thrive in well-draining, loose, and fertile soil. Adding organic compost or well-rotted manure enhances soil structure and provides essential nutrients. When it comes to sowing seeds, you have two options: direct sowing or transplanting seedlings. Direct sowing involves planting seeds directly into the soil, while transplanting involves starting seeds indoors and then moving seedlings to the garden. Choose the method that suits your time and space. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel once your onions start growing. It's time to provide them with proper care. Regular watering, but not overwatering, is crucial. Weeding is also important to prevent competition for nutrients. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Pests and diseases can pose a threat to your onion crop. Keep an eye out for common pests like thrips and onion maggots. Using organic pest control methods and practicing crop rotation can help manage these issues effectively. Harvesting time depends on the onion variety and local climate. Once the leaves turn yellow and start falling over, it's a sign that your onions are ready for harvest. Gently pull them out of the soil and lay them out to dry for a few days before storing them in a cool, dry place. To inspire and motivate you further, we spoke to some successful onion farmers in different parts of India. Their stories and experiences provide valuable insights into the challenges and triumphs of onion cultivation. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to growing Indian onions. Remember, onion cultivation requires patience, dedication, and a little bit of experimentation. Whether you're looking to fill your kitchen with fresh produce or take it up as a full-fledged profession, the journey is incredibly rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy onion farming!